southwestern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Buffalo County, southwestern Tupelo County, until 7 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Altura to 7 miles northwest of Rushford, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. An additional severe storm was located 5 miles east of Winona. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Severe thunderstorms will be near Stockton around 5:55 p.m. Rolling Stone around 6 p.m. Winona and Goodview around 6:05 p.m. Fountain City around 6:10 p.m. Tupelo around 6:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Lock and Dam 5A, Dodge, Whiteville, Pruitt State Park, Wilson, Marshland, and Ridgeway. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 242 and 269. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now the forecast for West Central Windsor.